Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Have you ever tried this sumptuous beef tongue recipe that I'm just about to show you? Follow to the end. If you can, subscribe, do a comment and like. Follow to the end. During Easter weekend, I was free, so I went to the market and bought lots of meat and had a delivery guy bring them to my home. And I decided that I was going to start with the beef tongue for lunch that day. First thing, I carefully washed the beef tongue. I was told it's very nutritious. I'd never done this before. I just decided to wash it and then put it in the pressure cooker. After chopping the lower very fatty part into chunks, you'll see me do all that just a while. I chopped the lower very fatty part into big chunks and then let the tongue on its own like that. I then put in the pressure cooker and boil for 1 hour. Be sure it's thoroughly cleaned. You need to rinse it several times and then give it a salt wash, and that's exactly what I did. Next, I chopped the tongue because you know the tongue has a layer that I'll need to peel off later. So I chopped this part into big chunks while cooking the tongue, the whole of it just like that. In my pot, I added 4 cloves of garlic. I also added chopped ginger, 2 bay leaves, and some salt. That's all that I added, and then boil the tongue for 1 hour. So while the tongue is boiling, I'll start to prepare some spices to make nice soup for the large chunks of meat that I'm boiling alongside. And once ready, remove from the pot and put in cold water so that it cools faster. And then after that, I'm going to start peeling the outer layer. That layer, you don't need it, you just need to get it off. And you realize that it peels off very easily if the tongue is fully cooked. You won't need to struggle with it. To my other pot, I'm going to add garlic, then onions, and then continue with the cutting of the tongue. Now, slicing it as you can see, ready for frying. To this pot, I've also added curry powder, some turmeric, some coriander powder, and lots of other spices that I love. And then to the tongue slices, I now just turn them over. I just added a little salt to it and some thyme that I rubbed onto it just a little to make it dry faster as I fry it, to give it that taste, just the one that I like. To add the stock, that is the soup that I used for boiling the tongue, I will add like 2 cups into the spices and the onions. Then dip in the beef chunks into it and simmer for 5 minutes. At this point, it's quite ready, and I'm going to garnish it with green onions and then serve with Kenyan favorite carb, that is ugali or maize meal, and we really enjoyed this meal. Hope you try this for your family, and do let me know what you think about this video. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time, bye.